Alloy trims come in different shapes. There are internal corners, external corners, end caps, and jointing plates. They're all available in black and chrome, except the jointing plate, which is only available in chrome. Cutting the trims is a simple process. You can use a chop saw with a metal cutting blade or a regulation handsaw. Measure your trims to know the length you need, clamp securely in position, and cut the trim to length. You can opt to do this freehand or with a cutting block. For ease of marking the trim, we suggest applying some masking tape and making the measurement marks on there instead of directly on the trim. If you need to create a miter join, it's the same process, freehand or cutting block. A cutting block with a pre-made 45-degree opening will be easier to create identical cuts, making aligning on the splashback much easier. Once cut, remove the tape off your trims to reveal the adhesive, place them on the splashback, and you're good to go.